16 Best Health Benefits of Corn. In addition to its delicious sweet taste, corn is high in fiber, low in fat and a great source of essential nutrients, offering an array of health benefits given below. Number 1. Increased energy. Corn is considered a starchy vegetable as it contains a high amount of carbohydrates that provide you with short-term and long-term energy. They also ensure proper functioning of the brain and the nervous system. Number 2. Lowers LDL cholesterol. Cholesterol is produced by the liver, and there are generally two types of cholesterol: HDL or good cholesterol and LDL or bad cholesterol. Bad cholesterol increases due to the intake of fatty food, thus weakening your heart and causing cardiovascular diseases. Sweet corn is rich in vitamin C, carotenoids and bioflavonoids that keep your heart healthy by controlling the cholesterol levels and increasing the flow of blood. Number 3. Prevents anemia. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B12 and folic acid. Corn contains a significant amount of these, as well as iron, which is one of the essential minerals required to form new red blood cells. The deficiency of iron can also cause anemia. Number 4. Good for digestion. Corn is high in dietary fiber, which comprises of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps in blocking cholesterol absorption by turning into a gel-like consistency, whereas insoluble fiber prevents constipation and intestinal problems by promoting soft and bulky stool that can move easily through the intestines, reducing the chances of irritable bowel syndrome and diarrhea. Thus, it helps prevent digestive problems like constipation and hemorrhoids, as well as colon cancer. Number 5. Facilitates weight gain. Corn is a great option for underweight people, referred to as hard gainers. They need to increase their caloric intake so as to put on some pounds on their frames. Corn is calorie dense and rich in carbs, which helps to bulk up your body. Thus, it can be a healthy addition to your meals if you are underweight. 1 cup of corn kernels provides as much as 130 calories. Number 6. Prevents diabetes and hypertension. Organic fruits and vegetables like corn have proven to be effective in reducing the signs of diabetes. The regular consumption of corn kernels assists in the management of non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus (NID), and protects against hypertension due to the presence of phenolic phytochemicals in whole corn. Number 7. Stronger connective tissue. Connective tissue is comprised of bones, ligaments, tendons, muscles and cartilage. Corn contains the trace mineral manganese that strengthens the connective tissue. In addition to these, manganese keeps the blood sugar levels stable and breaks down carbs and fat to provide energy. A cup of corn provides about 12% of the daily recommended value of manganese. Number 8. Improves vision. The yellow kernels of corn contain substances called carotenoids that reduce the risk of macular degeneration, that is impairment of vision at the center of your line of sight. Beta-carotene helps in producing vitamin A, thus supporting better vision. Number 9. Anti-cancer properties. Research has proved that the antioxidants found in corn can fight and eliminate cancer-causing free radicals. Moreover, this grain is a good source of the phenolic compound, folic acid, which is effective in fighting tumors in the breast and liver. Number 10. Beneficial during pregnancy. Being a rich source of folic acid, corn is particularly beneficial for pregnant women. The deficiency of folic acid in pregnant women can cause the birth of underweight infants and also cause neural tube defects at birth. Thus, pregnant women should include corn in their diet as it benefits the health of both the child and the expecting mother. Number 11. Beneficial for heart. Corn oil is said to have an anti-atherogenic effect on cholesterol levels, thus protecting against cardiovascular diseases. Corn oil is particularly beneficial for the heart health as it has an optimal fatty acid combination, thus enabling omega-3 fatty acids to remove the damaging bad cholesterol and replace them at the bonding site. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. Corn is a good source of thiamine, which is an integral participant in enzymatic reactions central to energy production as well as brain cell cognitive function. It is also needed for the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory and whose deficiency can cause age-related impairment in mental function, senility, and Alzheimer's disease. Number 13. Maintenance of healthy skin. Yellow corn is a rich source of beta-carotene, which forms vitamin A that is vital for the maintenance of a healthy skin. Vitamin C and lycopene are potential antioxidants that prevent the UV-generated free radicals from damaging the skin and increase the production of collagen that assists in the maintenance of smooth skin. Number 14. Prevents skin problems. Cornstarch is used as an ingredient in many cosmetic products and can even be applied topically to soothe skin rashes and irritation. Carcinogenic petroleum products can be substituted with corn products in cosmetic preparations, as skin creams use petroleum jelly as a base material, which can block pores and worsen the skin conditions. Number 15. Combats hair loss and dryness. corn oil offers a great combination of fatty acids and nutrients such as vitamin E. Thus, the topical application of this oil helps to keep the hair follicles hydrated, well-nourished, and prevents premature aging. The antioxidants prevent cell damage by trapping the free radicals. Hence, it is effective in combating dryness and hair fall due to free radical action. It also contains vitamin K that helps in the absorption of calcium, thus preventing hair loss. Number 16. Maintenance of healthy hair. Hot oil treatment with corn oil can give you soft and silky hair. It has the right balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that controls inflammation and prevents the scalp from becoming dry and flaky. These fatty acids are important constituents of the cell structure, facilitating the transport of fat, and the deficiency of any of these can cause brittle hair or hair fall.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for new updates.